Thank you for tuning into my channel today. And my name is Abifash. For today's topic, I have a very important topic for you guys. And the title of this topic for today is Five Types of Life Insurance You Need to Know Before You Invest. So it's very important for you guys to understand that there are different types of life insurance, and you need to understand different types of life insurance before you proceed or before you make any financial decision. And now, before I proceed, please don't forget to like to subscribe to my channel, so you can be getting more useful content from me. So now let's dive into the main topic. And today I would like to break down the different life insurance into pieces, so you can understand which one that is best for you, either for your family or maybe for your business or for your children or for your personal preference, or maybe for a long term, or for a short term. So now let's begin with the different types. So I'm going to start with accidental insurance. That's the number one. Accidental accidental insurance. So basically, this type of insurance is useful when somebody passes away through only accidents. That's when the beneficiary can be able to get access to the benefit. So that's number one. So passes away via accident. So this type of insurance, basically it doesn't have any cash value benefits. It's strictly for protection, you know in case when somebody that owns the insurance passes away. So it's very straightforward. Now the second different types of life insurance is term insurance. So term insurance, the advantage is that I'll put advantage here, is that it's very cheap. It's cheap, and you can decide to set up for just a short term. You can set up for short term. So I'll say for short term. So either 10, 20, 30 years. So that's the advantage there. Now, for term insurance, let's talk about the disadvantage. The advantage is that when you pay 10, 20, or let's say you set up for 30 years plan, right? And let's say you've already paid for 10 years. So now you pay for 10 years and maybe something happened, you could not be able to proceed the payment. That means all the 10 years you have paid, they're all gone. You're not going to get any benefits. That's one disadvantage. So basically, and another disadvantage is that, when you pay for 10, let's say you set up for 10 years and you paid everything, in full. So that means that if you want to reconstruct or redesign the policy at that point in time, because of your age, you have to pay more premium, right? So which means it's meant for only for short term, which means when you are young, let's say you're 20 years, and you after after 10 years, you're 30 years. That means that from 31 years you have to pay more money. So that's another disadvantage. So now let's look at the third insurance type of insurance, whole life. So whole life, uh, so I'll start with whole life. The advantage. So whole life, the premium remain the same. That's advantage. Premium remain the same. So which means, what I mean premium is that every month, or either you're paying every month or every year, the premium remain the same. So another advantage of whole life is it has some cash accumulation value, which means you'll be getting some kind of dividends every year. So that's another advantage. Has some cash accumulation value. So now this is one of the advantage of whole life insurance. And let's deep dive into the disadvantage now. So for the disadvantage, whole life, it's not that flexible. So which means, let's say you set up a face amount of $1 million, and maybe after 5 years, or after 2 years, or after whatever years, you want to reconstruct or redesign your policy. Maybe you want to pay, you want to reduce the amount you pay every month, every year. It's not that flexible. So that's one disadvantage. Not flexible. It's not flexible, and you just have to understand some of the pros and cons of all these different types of life insurance. And I'm also going to let you know that the one of the advantage of whole life is that the premium remain the same throughout the year, of the policy. Now let's dive into a group life. That's number 4. Group life. So group life, basically, it's more or less like you're getting it for free from your employer. So group life, this is a type of life insurance that your employer offers you. A lot of people say, "Oh, I have a life insurance. I have life insurance." Yes, you have life insurance, but technically, you are not the owner. But the company is the owner, but you're just insured. So I'm gonna start with the advantage first. The advantage is that it's cheap. Advantage is cheap. Now disadvantage is the advantage is that you are not insured. I mean, you are the insured. Let me put it that way. But you are not the owner. So let me put it that way. So the company is the owner, then you are the insured. So basically, you just have to look at all these different types of life insurance and make your own decision. So for group, it's cheap, but you're not the owner. The company that kind of set up for you, they are the owner. So now the final one is IUL. So IUL basically it's called Index Universal Life. So And I will start with the advantage. Advantage number one is that it has cash accumulation. It's very flexible. You can decide to reconstruct your account, at any time, at a point in time, based on the insurance carrier. So just have to talk to a licensed financial professional that can help you construct it very well. And also another advantage is that it has a cash accumulation as well, and you can be able to get some cash accumulation, and based on how the account being structured. And moving on to disadvantage is that it's not for everybody. You must have a good health, good physical examination done, and also you must have a good clean background check as well. So and also how you well you must be able to be qualified, be able to get IUL. So I hope this education is useful, and we try to break it down a little bit pieces so you can be able to understand which of the life insurance types that is good for you. If it's accidental, or it's STEM, or whole life, group life, IUL, it's up to you to make a decision. So I hope it's very helpful, and please don't forget to like this channel. Thank you so much. I will see you another time. Bye for now.